Hi ladies, it's Marisha. Welcome to my world. Today I'm gonna show you DIY nail decal without any water marble, which looks so pretty. So if you're interested, stay tuned until the end of this video and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's begin. So guys, as you can see, I'm wearing this French mani without any French tip vinyl. It looks so pretty. So today I'm gonna be making these beautiful nail polish decals, which are so easy to do, and you will just need cute little needle and a little tweezers to peel off the sticker. And you can create a custom design. You can create a marbleized design or anything that you want with different color combination. So I'm using this needle here. You can also use a dotting tool, and obviously you need some nail polishes. I'm using these golden rose polishes, and I'm gonna first create this kind of look. I don't know what colors you're using, but I'm using purple, so I want purple first, and then in the middle I'm gonna be putting a white, and then I'm gonna put this kind of shimmery or kind of grayish or bluish purplish color, and then I'm gonna take my needle. We don't need tweezers until we're done and we need to peel off, so we just need needle to just create this beautiful design. It's custom. You can create anything that you want. It's up to you. You cannot mess up, I think, because marbleized design is also so cute, which I'm gonna be showing you next. And we've created our pattern. Now, to create this kind of marbleized design, you can take your white. I think that the white looks the best, and you can then put any color you like on top. And I'm using purple afterwards, so I'm gonna take my purple and add some dots. You can also just add a little lines or anything. You just have to mix them together. So I'm adding a little dots and I'm changing the color. You can do in 3 colors and 2 colors, and make this cute big and small dots. Don't think a lot, just put them in random places. And then start mixing. You can use dotting tool, you can use needle, you can use nail polish brush, but if it gets dirty, make sure to clean it before using it again. So I'm just using needle because it's thin and practical for me, but make sure that you don't mix it a lot, because otherwise you will be left with one solid color. And after you're done, put them in your bag or anywhere. Just make sure to not to close it because it needs air. Now let it dry and take your cuticle pusher, or you can also use another end, pointy end, and tweezers to peel it off and cut off the excess. Now take your decal and put it onto your nail, and use pointy end or cuticle pusher or scissors to cut off the excess and make the perfect size decal for your nail. You can also use brush dipped in nail polish remover for this as well. And lastly, apply your top coat. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye bye.